Today let's starting to go through this tutorial in Sparx system about this version 16 Enterprise Architect tool. Excuse me. I put this one mind map. So from this mind map file, which are also in the repository here, you can find some key things. So let's starting to go through this welcome part. So I make this big. So for here, when we come to this guide, first this guide gave us some basic production, the product information. For those, we just go through and to understand what's the key message Sparx system provide for their enterprise architect, this tool. And also, there's our guide proper detail section devoted to modeling. Those are my major interest to try to utilize their sample to practice some key the modeling skill using this tool, and then do the design requirements framework, publishing, simulation, code engineering. I'm also interested in this part. They mentioned this with the add-in and also together with scripting. In the Archi tool, which I have used, they also have our plugin called JArchi. JArchi is Java, is the JavaScript or the scripting tool. Through that tool, you can make some JavaScript-based script and help you to do some automation of your Archi modeling work. Also through this essential enterprise architecture project tool, they also serve you. You can programming yourself based on the XML standard. It's XSL, and you can build your own views through the coding. So those part, when a tool can give you a scripting capability, that will hugely increase their potential. So I will be interested when we come to this part to see how we can use some kinds of their this language specific things. And how to get this, use this guide, you can also come to sparksystem.com, and they have this enterprise architecture user guide from here. So you can through this to make some, it's here from support, come to this user guide. It will be interesting also if you use our tool, try to join their forum. So this that gave you our very nice the community, the group, so that you can ask help, or when you have the experience, you can show your hands to other new guys coming to here. So we starting from scratch on this user guide, and you can also search. And also to get the search result, and we can feedback here. So here is the navigation. So after this welcome, we will get to the start. So we try to make some basic. The understanding is why enterprise architect with the three key benefits, key features, key usage. So let's come to here. So you can see here, within the getting started, there are three parts. I will go to the next video with the second part. Using trial edition, we can try to build some basic the models. And then using the standard edition, we can also try just getting started. We will go through some the simple step, and then later part we'll go to the more detail. So first is getting started is the prerequisite. The only prerequisite is to select a folder in your file system for your repository. So to me is we have our repository. So what I'm putting here, so you can come to here. So I will make the model file stored in the Sparx. Currently, I have the last video's PowerPoint file, which I will keep adding new page per video, and also put some key message after the video cover page. And we already have this mind map, and depends on the structure, I will starting to make a subfolder and then store some the project file. And also depending on how we learn this tool to manage repository project and the specific diagram or the view. If we need to separate that, we will get a different file, or we will categorize all of them in under the repository. So those things we will learn how to manage our the artifacts. That is one repository. I hope is if you have Sparx systems on hand, you can choose one folder, create something, or you can also add a side folder. You clone my or the fork my repository, then you can keep getting the live modeling during this video store record. And a mind full of idea and concept that you want to model. So we have a lot of practice earlier in Archissurance, Archimetal. We can picking up something to see whether this enterprise architect tool can help us do something like Archissurance. So I will gradually, after the sample view, I try to build our new project or maybe a repository to see whether the Sparx system tool can handle Archissurance, for example. But Archissurance, Archimetal are quite Archimate, the oriented. But the Sparx systems, they are not only focused on the Archimate. They are doing the quite UML specific way. So we need to distinguish what's the differentiation between those different characters. Definitely, I hope you, like me, have the enough energy to share your idea with others through this collaboration feature. So those are the basic, the welcome parts, and why enterprise architecture. So, and here is not the question. Enterprise architecture is why this product. So we can have a quick understanding is about the benefits. So working together with team. So that is my intention and the big intention, because you are not individual. You cannot do everything yourself. You need to know some architect colleague doing their modeling work themselves, and we need to collaborate and to see which are the catalog element, which are the repository element, and we can work all together. And then the integrate with rich landscape, external tool. I hope I can see that integration capability, and this tool can create model solution quickly. So that also we need to learn. Work under the umbrella of supporting a wide range of standards. So this standard, I believe, starting from UML, but I already see they have a lot of the different, like open group, like Bespoke, like also the I think it's Zahman, and other systems, BPMN. So if you got some of your use case, we can also try to see what's the gap for this tool to provide you some standard-based templates. Unify work of business and the technical team. So this is important and I would like to see how they can make this seamlessly. And flexibility, extensibility, configurability of enterprise architect to meet specific needs. So let's see during this practice what kind of the flexible the capabilities we can get. Access using enterprise architect fake client software or by using the cloud. So I have already installed the SICK client, so client 2. So I hope it's all the key features I can try from my Windows 11 PC. And then the key, and they also support not only the laptop but also the phone, so working through Face. So this, to me, is I haven't tried, but I hope to see is what are the app they can provide. But I believe that will be after we publish some of our artifacts, then we can try to see the beaver. The tool is comprehensive, including strategy, requirements, analysis. I think those are kind of the business driven, design, construct, testing, and some system part, and also the application development part address the different layers modeling. So it's still the focus word is modeling. So we will see whether this is the reason this tool is not in the Gartner report according for the enterprise architecture tool. But from the naming, I hope sooner or later I can see that in somewhere in that the diagram in the Gartner report. And these two combine, I think UML must be their the key feature to combine UML and also some derivative modeling language, BPMN, SysML. I don't use SysML quite a lot, but I hope it's during this journey we can learn some basic things and try to utilize that. This paragraph is my interest is they support many architecture framework, TOGAF, UAF, UPDM. So these I need to know the more detail. Archimate, modeling language, Zahman, and some others. As I mentioned, is for the business architecture guide. They publish the business architecture body of knowledge. I also see some templates is based on that. Maybe not called a standard, but it's kind of a business architecture framework. And I will also willing to see whether there's some data, the modeling framework or information modeling framework can be supported by the tool. For a breakdown of the function, this we can see in more detail. Key usage. So this I think it will be important we try all of those use case. Strategic modeling definitely is if that can support strategy, requirements analysis, the requirements analysis, business process modeling. So I have a number of the business process currently I'm using the Essential tool and also Archi tool to do this modeling. So I hope to see how we can picking up some sample process, how enterprise architect tool can do this modeling. Software system, I believe this by default should be strongly support. How enterprise architecture domains can be supported, I will interested to try. Test, debug, so that is also can be supported by certain the UML-based the diagram, I believe. And learn more for some key the benefits feature usage. So I don't go to detail because if you come to here, every paragraph they come to some later on those chapters. But I hope is we can do those chapter by chapter. So then we have a comprehensive view based on the tutorial. So you can get some more reading from here. And one more thing here is the publishing. That also one thing I want to get some understanding. When I have a repository or project or numbers of the diagrams, what kind of the visualization can be published easily. And then this what kind of the dashboard, because we built diagram, but if a dashboard can retrieve our repository elements, relations, and build certain the high-level view or aggregation view, that will be interesting. Collaboration, I hope we can do some try, but since I want to demo to you the usage from this individual the tool, so maybe this we will see how we can try. And accessible by the smartphone, by tablets, those are also interested. We will have some try. And the key feature, so all these are the later paragraph is coming. If you click any parts, is coming to the certain part under those the paragraphs. And then the many features we can do. And here you can also read those UML, because UML is one the interesting and important standard our Sparx system is based on. So I put this link here, insert our link for you. So this OMG, the link is you can find from here. And then the key usage is already mentioned something here. And they also mentioned this development of XML schema and XSLT transform. This is also utilized in this essential enterprise architecture project too. So I hope to see what are the uniqueness of these two. And enterprise architects optimized for certain those usage scenarios. So we don't try cloud, but that definitely will be the possibility for this tool to support the cloud-based modeling work. And we stop here on this video. On next video, we will go through some quick addition, differentiation, and licensing. And then this we come to our trial addition. We will do some starting to do some modeling preparation and do some hands-on work and to familiar with the user interface of the tool. So thank you for watching to these videos, and I hope we have more working together. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions, feel free to leave me some message or give the comments under the video. And I hope you enjoy this. And if you also got some experience, I've loved that you can share. As I mentioned, is you can give comments to me, or you can register yourself to this forum. So I strongly suggest is you go through documentation, use the tool, and live in the forum so that you are keep refresh your knowledge using this tool. See you next video. Bye.